Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome. Hello, Marcus.
Hello!
We're gonna have a nice little test here. We're gonna test out our new microphones. We're gonna see if it sounds better than before, especially if we both talk at the same time. Marcus, now we're gonna have an interview with you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Finally,
finally. You're
I
a
get the
special man
attention
now.
I deserve.
Yes, definitely. You can definitely do a comment below. Marcus, your attention is deserved.
Thank you very much. So, do you have already a route in your mind?
Yes, I know. I want to check out the Antung 29 and all those little side sneaky routes. What's happening there with the new hotels. There's a brand new hotel over there. It looks beautiful, immaculate outside. Not sure if it's good inside, but it should be done now.
Oh, but look at us here. They run bankrupt, I guess. Out of business.
Yeah.
But this
So the Jumbo Crab is sadly not here anymore. I've never tried it, to be honest.
No.
Maybe I should have tried it.
Also, very rarely I saw people in.
Oh, look at this, Marcus. This is, I think, a finished hotel room already. Very
Or maybe a
interesting.
showroom?
I think it's a showroom, yeah. It's gonna be nice, maybe even long-term options, guys. And if this is the biggest construction site here. If this is done, maybe
Then
it's
it's
quiet here. Oh,
nothing.
what's happening over there?
Oh, there was before these car cleaning
Yes.
services or this garage.
But I don't think it's gonna be super loud. At least
No.
after 3 weeks, this will be done, no matter what it is. But yeah,
Look
this
at this. This is the one hotel we always wanted to check out, but
it's apartment.
executive
Yeah,
apartments.
you
Okay.
have to call them, but I don't have time for that. But there's right next door a construction site.
Not working on it.
Yeah, and another one, another construction site. It's also probably going to be an apartment building. This will be a whole living area, I would say.
Yeah.
And over there,
Seems
there's
so.
also this very stylish coffee shop where we're gonna make a zigzag tour right now. This is for everyone electric dream. It's over there, lots of electric motorbikes. Oh, actually, they don't have even the bicycles anymore.
Wow.
Or they're all rented out. Who knows?
The
We're
only
gonna
thing
go there.
I knew about it, the electric bikes was a little bit too pricey.
And what will happen over there? This is very interesting. What will happen over there? Maybe it's just where they put the gravel. Oh.
Did they finish it?
Yes, it's done now.
Here, at the
Yeah,
right
and
side.
It's so stylish. I think it's hotel and apartment.
Looks very fancy. Look at this facade.
Yeah. Yeah, they also have very nice seating over here. Look at this. But the color might be a huge problem. Look at this, there's already stains on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that calls Hotel des Soleil. 79 Fanton. Oh, very
But the
stylish. Look at this. Look at
Name
this
of the
stylish
hotel is different.
chair, steps here. Huh? What do you say?
Is the hotel name different from the coffee?
I don't know. Hello.
Ciao.
Oh, look at this, Marcus. They even serve breakfast here. Or brunch and food. Egg Benedict.
It's the coffee and the bread. It's the eat here and second restaurant.
Perfect.
Does it look stylish inside too? The
Yes,
food?
Here. The food.
Ah, you eat outside here?
Yes, outside and the restaurant is
On this floor.
Yeah.
And this is a hotel or apartment?
Yes, it's a hotel.
Hotel.
Yeah.
Oh, but open yet or not?
No open. No.
Not open.
Oh, no, open is the open. It's a coffee in the 7 a.m. to
Okay, but the hotel is not open yet, huh?
no open.
Open?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. We're gonna check it out. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Awesome. It's open, but I have not seen it yet.
Look at this car.
Yeah.
Wow.
And look at this over there. There's a Dubai hotel.
Yeah,
Dubai
but
hotel
this
was
car is
usually
way
the
more
cheapest
interesting.
hotel
Look
in
at
the-
this.
It's like $6 or something.
I think they
But look
don't
at this,
have.
they have left and right
any-
construction. Huh?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you said. Oh, you talked.
Yeah, because of the car. Ugh. If you have
Okay.
any problems, you can go with them in the wild, I guess.
Okay.
And you have a
Where is
shovel.
this even from, this car?
Maybe Vietnam.
Do you think it's
looks-
Vietnamese or
Looks American.
American? What is the brand?
Wrangler?
Nah.
Don't you think it could be a Wrangler?
Guys, comment below what kind of brand this is. It looks like a small little baby Humvee. Maybe if a Humvee and a Wrangler made a baby, and it's in preschool. That's how it looks.
Okay. Yeah.
Imagine I would take a VF3 and build it like that, with an open
Ooh,
roof.
Yeah.
Maybe they can help me with the Dubai, the Dubai garage.
Yeah.
Oh,
This looks
Marcos,
new.
That's new. They finished this. That's why we're walking here, guys. This is why we. Don't forget to like, my guys. Don't forget to like.
And subscribe.
This here might be it. Brand new condo building. again.
Diamond house. Okay.
Yeah.
A little balcony.
Diamonds are forever. 2 AC units on the balconies there. Small balconies there. Interesting. No phone number outside.
Hmm.
And then we have here, I think there's gonna be a construction site. I mean, those are 2 separate lots.
To be honest, I've never been in this street here, at
Yeah.
this corner. Never.
I wanted to review this Dubai hotel one time for a video, but they had no electricity, so they couldn't give me the
Interesting. Dead end.
a dead end, yeah. And a nice house here.
Yeah. Looks like apartment house.
There's also a nice apartment I actually reviewed, not on camera though. I looked out for Sunshine Block here, somewhere here. But at this street here, because it's a dead end, I highly believe it is quiet. Oh,
Oh,
you know
here's
what?
the new coffee place.
This is the coffee club. It
Yeah.
must be very annoying to people who live right there.
Yeah.
This apartment.
And home.
But they are not connected, so maybe it's not
Yeah.
that bad.
And you see, they have 2 levels.
Seating upstairs,
Oh.
and a cool stylish area over there. Huh.
So this is the Fanton Street.
Yep, Fanton Street, guys. And as you can see here, just like Antung 34, lots of houses, apartment buildings like that. I heard now, I learned something yesterday. Like this house
Yeah.
with downstairs something,
Yeah.
it's a shop house. You know that? Shop house.
Okay.
That's how they call it. This is a
Efficient.
shop house. Oh?
It's efficient because you have a shop and a house.
Oh, look at this. They
What,
have
what?
apartments over there. See the price.
Do you think they have the price on? I don't believe.
No price. Just one big room. Else they would show more. Free Wi-Fi, washer dry, hot and cold, water dispenser. Wow, we have hot water. I think it's
Oh.
pathetic if you even advertise that you have hot water, bro.
Ooh, look at this. False advertisement, but it's okay. Because it do not look like this.
No, but I think they're gonna make it look like this. Maybe it is already in this.
Or maybe
village.
it's just a display how a boutique hotel from them looks like.
Yeah. It looks stylish. I mean, this looks stylish.
Ah, a lot of wood.
I'm not sure when that will be done. They're pretty slow. I did not see any progress on that.
But this is okay. A safety box. A little bit bushy.
Nice and bushy. Oh, someone is working in there. Maybe they're gonna get it done.
Is it this one? Yeah. Good. Cham Hung Ket Noi. This is the name of it.
Dude, I'm excited. We're gonna have, don't forget to subscribe, guys, because we're gonna go to Ho Chi Minh City soon, and there's gonna be some nice walking tours there as well. You better be alert, guys. It's gonna be a fun one.
You know what we can check out? This new Bung Cha Hanoi place.
if it's
If
open
they're
or not.
already open.
What is this? That looks new too. Thai street food. Oh. Thai street food. That's crazy. I mean, I'm still looking out for a good Thai restaurant. Look at this. They completely changed the street here.
They
I
ripped
think they're
everything
gonna
apart.
Upgrade it. Lots of places are closed today because of the holidays. Oh. We got another moon milk. If you live somewhere else in Vietnam, can you tell me please in the comments, are there moon milks in every city? Because I saw them in Nha Trang as well. I just don't know if there are in the big cities as well. Because the big cities have huge competition with the big boys. They have 7-Eleven in Ho Chi Minh City. They have CU.
You know what this means? It's the 7-Eleven in Ho Chi Minh City. We can have our old routines. Before we go to bed, go to 7-Eleven.
Oh, I'm on a diet. That's not anymore.
You can buy water.
Fuck off. Oh man. The Winmart is nice, but I don't know. It lacks. It's not the same as a 7-Eleven, right?
No, it's not.
I don't know why they don't do something like that here. But you will see the 7-Eleven is pretty interesting. You know what they have? They have Cha Tak, the kumquat iced tea, in 7-Eleven. They make it fresh. I mean, they have it prepared and they put ice in it. Then it's not.
Okay.
And they have banh mi's.
To be honest, all the shops here, the grocery shops, they're lacking of protein drinks.
Oh yeah, that's true.
This is something I really like from the 7-Eleven.
Yeah. Comment below. What do you love the most buying at 7-Eleven, guys? I think for me it's those little snacks and the things you can do make warm.
It's still closed. And maybe
Still
because
closed.
of today, but
Oh man, they play with our feelings, man.
Yes.
Bún chả Hanoi. This is like what we're really craving here. We need a good bún chả. We need somewhat like a nice charcoal tasty bún chả. Like proper Hanoi style. I really want someone from Hanoi who's doing it big and over there, just bring it here and same style. We had lots of good bún chars, but it's lacking.
they're not
sometimes.
consistent.
Yeah, consistent. Yeah. Oh, look at this pork belly. Ooh. You think it's a private roastery?
Maybe.
Private pork roastery?
Or maybe a ghost kitchen. This is something I learned on YouTube, ghost kitchen. Ghost kitchen is something from when you order food. It's not the restaurant, but they're preparing the food.
Yeah. I think it's often like that. There's no restaurants.
Yeah.
Oh no, you know what? Ghost kitchen I think is even another thing, right? I think ghost kitchen is if one huge kitchen prepares 50 different restaurants and sells it as 50 different restaurants. And they make everything. Like for example a pizzeria, Italian pizzeria is in the same kitchen as a sushi place. All on Grab or like not Grab, it's on German Grab food.
Yeah, something like
Or Uber Eats. Ooh. What is Heo Lu? I thought it's Heo Kueh.
Here, that's for you. Bum nam.
Yeah, but you know, this looks like a pork belly banh mi, but it's not the same what I usually read. Maybe they cannot speak Vietnamese.
Yeah, exactly. Hello!
You know, they saw my Kräuter Fürth tricot jersey.
Maybe,
They're like, you know what? Those are
But
partners.
the quality, I have to say, it's not really good. Because the tea is falling, coming apart.
Really?
Yes. I see that it's going up. It's getting
Damn it.
loose.
I paid €65 for that. Nonsense.
This is a new shop. Optical.
Only because my team in Germany is so unsuccessful. If they would be successful, I can buy them on Shopee, the fake one. Like Tommy was able to buy Fortuna Düsseldorf
Really?
on Shopee. Can you imagine?
But
Crazy.
they're not really successful.
But maybe I should just look out for Kräuter Fürth. If it's produced here, but I think this jersey is produced in Cambodia. My God, it's so hot.
Yeah, let's go in
And
the
it's
shades.
beautiful. Yeah, let's go over. Ooh. Ooh.
But today is less traffic.
Oh.
It's just what I witnessed.
I
so
feel
far.
like, yeah, you really feel the holiday. The whole city was sleepy today. It's crazy. I was there 7:30 in the morning. Nothing's going on outside. Beautiful. Da Nang is really the best if you wake up early, guys. You gotta change your schedule. And what will this be here?
Oh, this here,
Oh yeah, another bushy hotel.
Marisol
Windhouse
apartment.
architecture.
It's very trendy with all this greenery around.
I think the greenery takes away the noise from the street, maybe. What do you think, huh? Could be.
And also the heat.
And the heat, yeah.
But
a
also
famous-
brings you insects.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Only very high-flying insects, right? Depends on the scale of the place.
Wow. Okay, here's a little bit more traffic.
Yep. So you told me today you got some cash out,
Yes,
and it was 55,000, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So it's still the same. 55.
I fetched 5 million. Dong.
Fetching, really?
Oh, took it.
Yeah. Withdraw, man. Withdraw.
Wow, it's not fetching.
Withdraw money.
What is fetching in?
Fetching? I don't even. You play fetch with a dog, man.
Okay. Yeah, so,
Or maybe your dog.
oh my
So you
god.
fetched the money.
So I
Withdraw money from the
withdraw
ATM.
ATM.
You know, Marcus is a famous German YouTuber now, so he does not have to talk English anymore. You stopped English, right? You stopped talking English to people, huh?
To be honest, yes.
Yes?
I'm out. I'm out of business right now.
Oh man. So now we just, maybe we're gonna make a big group of all Vietnamese students who want to learn German. They can just hang out with us too.
Oh yeah, that would be good.
Yeah.
For them.
I always thought about that. Maybe in the low season we will do something like that. Some students, and they can actually practice, because you cannot learn a language without practicing. I think it's pretty tough if you're in Vietnam and learn German to practice. If you are like not in a German circle,
Yeah.
and German is you have to talk so many weird slangs and everything.
Yeah,
think
and the
those-
meaning is different.
Those kind of groups are pretty good.
Yes.
But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out this video here. Beautiful, magnificent.